Thank you for joining us today for the hands-on demonstration of the savings and deposit fees. Today we're working on Mifos X version 15.03. Documentation for this can be found on our wiki pages. You'll see a link to our user manual, and you'll see the about charges, and the bottom of this page will navigate you through more details about how to set up charges and so forth. If you don't find the answers to your questions, go out to our Answer Hub. This is your link right there. Type in your question or your topic. The screen will populate with the other information that's out on the Answer Hub. There's questions, there's answers. If you don't find what you're looking for, simply type in your question. If you have some details, give us some details, and then submit the information, and someone in the community will get back to you in a very timely fashion. And now I'd like to turn this over to Sangamesh, who will give you the actual hands-on demonstration on the Mifos X system, and I will just take it away, Sangamesh. Thanks.
Thank you, Dana, for the introduction. I'm on the Mifos login page and I'd log in to the Mifos. Now I'd go to the admin, products, then charges. I'll click on the create charge button and click on the charges applies to and select savings and deposits. Then here I could provide the charge name. Let me name it as savings account processing fee, and the currency I would select it as US dollar. Then charge time type, we have specified due date, savings activation, withdrawal fee, annual fee, monthly fee, weekly fee, and overdraft fee. So specified due date, it would give the date field, and on the provided date the charge get applied. And for the savings activation, charge is applied at the time of savings activation. And note, for this charge you should have provided the charge amount in the minimum opening balance, that is at the time of new saving application. Otherwise it would give an error message as insufficient balance to pay savings charge. Next is a withdrawal fee. The charge gets applied whenever there is a withdrawal. And next we have is annually, monthly, and weekly fee. The charge gets automatically applied for the selected period. Overdraft fee, charge is applied for the overdraft account. Now let me come back to the Mifos page and create one. I would select the savings activation charge time type and provide the amount here. Let me give the amount as $10. Oops, otherwise I just give it as $2 and activate this savings charge and click on submit button. Let me create another charge, savings and deposits. I would name it as This will give has a withdrawal fee. So withdrawal fee, and select the currency as US dollar. Then I would click on the withdrawal fee. Then I would give the percentage of the amount. The amount I would provide it as a 1% and click on active and submit it. Let me create another charge. Create charge, savings and deposits. The charge time type I would give it as a weekly. I would name it as weekly fee and select the currency as US dollar. Charge calculation as flat. Repeats every 1 week. Amount $1. Then activate this charge and click on the submit button. Now once these charges are created, I'd go back to the products, savings product. I have already created a product here. I'd just go and edit and add this charge. I'll scroll to the bottom, and in the charges section, I would select the created charges. That is withdrawal fee, weekly fee, and savings account processing fee. So I'll click on submit to add these charges for the savings product. Now I'll go back to the client and create a savings account, and we'll see how the charges gets applied. I'll go to a new savings application, then select the product. I would submit this as on 1st of June and define the okay. Here, since the savings account processing fee is given as 2, so the minimum opening should be at least 2 here. Then only the charge get collected, otherwise it get failed due to the insufficient balance. So I provide it as a $10 and provide the date. So we could provide the date as on which date this weekly charge should be applied. I would give it as on 1st of June and click on submit. I will approve as on 1st, submit, and go to the savings page again. Regular savings, activate, then provide the date, submit. Now once the once we click on the transaction, you could see the 2 rupees has been collected as a charge, and that is deducted from the minimum balance, that the provided minimum balance 10 here. And The other fees are withdrawal fee and the weekly fee. This needs to be the scheduler job need to be run uh, to apply these charges. So that is the reason it's not yet applied. And withdrawal fee, let us make an withdrawal. I would withdraw it as on 4th, and transaction I would provide it as a 4. Then click on submit. If I go to the transaction, you could see the 1% uh, of the withdrawal amount has been collected as withdrawal fee here. So this is about the savings and deposits charges. Now I would pass back to Dana. Thank you, Dana.
Thank you so very much for that, Sangamesh. Again, I'd like to remind the viewers here we have information on your Answer Hub. If you get stuck and need an answer, we have our demo server you can use to bang around on and test any of your ideas. If you have not signed up for your user list, please do so. It's a very nice way that the community interacts with one another, and we all learn from one another through this. Of course, we have chat support at Gitter, our primary well, our only web page, mifos.org, and our general mailbox, which is info@mifos.org. So we have a lot of ways that you can get information and get some help if you get stuck. I'd like to thank you again, and until next time, we'll see you then. Bye bye.